Hi guys, today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to wire your Nextbase dash cam into your car. So we need to start by plugging our plug into the 12V socket. Before you stick your cam onto your window, you need to clean the window with the wipes and stuff that are supplied in the box. And the best place to stick our cam is behind your mirror. Because we've got the rear view camera as well, make sure that you stick it so that the mirror doesn't block the camera. And you need to get this right the first time you stick it because the pads are extremely sticky and it's near impossible to get it off. Trust me, I've tried. We're going to plug our adapter into the side of the camera. And we're also going to use the tool provided in the box to help us wire the wire. This part's really easy. I found using my fingers did the job more efficiently in the top part of the car. By the way, footage from the front and the rear cameras will be shown at the end of this video. All in all, you'll need about 30 minutes to complete this process. We're using the tool to help us hide the rest of the wire under the rubber seals, which are where the rubber seal is inside of the car. Don't do it on the outside of the car because that will damage your doors and we don't want to do that. We're going to hide the next part of the wire under our mat. I've seen some websites where they advise on hiding the wire above the pedals, and I didn't feel too safe doing that because it sounds a bit risky if, the wire does come loose somehow. So anyway, we've hid some of it under the mat and we are hiding the rest inside this little compartment that you can see on where our gearbox is, just on the side under the plastic. So the camera latches on very easily and it powers on and starts recording automatically. Of course, if your car is on. So we can adjust the front and the rear cameras to our liking. And I'm just going to show you how everything looks. There are these two bits of wire that you can see, but I'll just have to live with those, which I don't really mind. And yes, I would definitely recommend this camera. It's amazing. The great thing about it is you can take it off whenever you want and take it away with you. I've used this double 12V socket to use two devices at the same time, which I will link below if anyone's interested. On to some footage from the front and the rear cameras now.
mph speed limit camera ahead. speed limit camera ahead.